Hi, I'm Jayne from Poppy Patchwork, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make an economy square unit. Cut out the squares as in your pattern. Cut fabric B squares in half across the diagonal, so you have 4 triangles. On fabric A, mark the centre point on the opposite sides as shown, and mark the centre point on the long edge of 2 of the triangles in fabric B. Pin fabric A and B right sides together, matching the centre points. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press the seams towards the triangles. Trim the triangles to the same size as the square. Mark the centre points on the unit just sewn and the other fabric B triangles. Pin and sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press the seams towards the triangles. Trim each side a 1/4 inch away from the points. Cut fabric C squares in half across the diagonal. Mark the centre point on the long edge of the fabric C triangles. Match the centre points, pin and sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press the seams towards the triangles and trim. Match the centre points with the other 2 triangles as shown. Pin and sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Trim all 4 sides a 1/4 inch away from the points. I have more quilting technique videos for you. Right click on the link above and it will take you to my playlist. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you get to hear about my new videos. Bye for now and happy quilting!